So this is Anthony. We're back at it again. We're at Samueli Academy. We're gonna install some anti-graffiti film. I don't know if you can see over there the importance of protecting your glass, because even though it's behind those bushes, somebody actually went through all the trouble to climb back there and tag either a name or whatever they put on the glass. They scratched it up. We're here to replace it. It looks pretty deep. I don't know if it went through. I don't know how thick this film is, like that's already up. If it's like a 6 mil or 7 mil, they should be in good shape.